Hi, I am back today with another video, and today this is not about books, but this is about a purchase which I made online, and I don't know about the site. I didn't knew anything about it, just a random purchase where I saw a few ads about bookmarks and diaries, notebooks. So I really loved their collection, and the name of the page is Lavender Lines. This is the package which I got today, and I thought of unboxing it in front of you. So let's see how the quality is and everything, and then if everything turns out good, I am going to link it down below, and if of course you can give it a try. Okay, so let's just open the package. The packaging is good, it's not bad. And okay, fine. So I think they have given two packages where they have separated the diary. Okay, wow, that's good. So this is the notebook which I got from them, and the quality is quite nice. Wow, the pages are also, wow, the quality of the pages are very good. You can see these are lined pages, single line pages. I really like the quality, it's very good. See the back side, it's also very pretty. Color is actually very pretty, right? It's looking very nice. Okay, let's see the next package. There are, I think there are a few bookmarks which actually I forgot. They take a little bit time to dispatch, and I think they have mentioned it in the confirmation email that around 10 to 12 working days they are taking to send all the products, and I think that's why it's okay. As soon as it reaches me, I am fine with it. I was not in a hurry. Okay, so yeah, let's see. There is another short notebook. Actually, the problem is I have forgotten what are the things I have ordered, because it's like a lot of days, so I have kind of forgotten. Okay, so this is a bookmark. Wow, so nice. It's very nice. Okay, and there are 4 magnetic bookmarks. These are the 4 magnetic bookmarks. So you can see, let us see the quality. Okay, the quality is good. This is one. It's written, "You are my perfect match." The book is a perfect match, of course. And there is another, "Fell asleep here." This is the next one. This is pretty nice. I really like it. Okay, then you have, wow, this one is so good. Bookstore. This is very nice. Okay, the next one, "Sorry, I'm all booked." Nice one. Okay, so these are the 4 magnetic bookmarks. Another one, this is a normal bookmark, and you have this notebook. This is why the name of the page is lavender. Most of the products they have is of lavender color. And yeah, so this is another one, single line book, a small one, where you can keep your daily updates and whatever you wish to. I don't have any reason of buying notebooks. Basically, whatever I like, I buy it, and eventually I use them whenever I need them accordingly. So I don't have any plans like what I'm going to do here or what I'm going to use them for. Definitely this one I'm going to use for my notes taking purpose, for my studies, because this is a long one and it's a very beautiful one. I really love this, and I'm going to try some other designs. I think they have some other designs also in their website. I haven't checked it much because I thought let's just purchase it one time and see how the qualities are, and the quality is very good. I loved it personally. It is my choice. I like the pages and everything. So so these are my products which I bought from Lavender Lines. Yeah, Lavender Lines, and I think the store is in Delhi. So yeah, it came from Delhi, so of course it is in Delhi. But just one disclaimer, they will take time, because if you place order today, I don't think you're going to get it within a week. You will take a little bit time to get the order, so be prepared for that and then only place the order. Otherwise, I think there will be some negative impressions about the brand, that they are taking time and delaying your product. This might happen because see, I am not connected to them, I don't know, but I thought, even I wondered recently, like 2-3 days back, that whether they are going to dispatch my product or not, because it was taking a lot of time. But then eventually they did it, and the quality is good. So I hope this is a trusted website, and I got my product, so I am trusting them. I am going to buy again because of the notebook. I'm going to buy some other notebooks, I need them. So yeah, this was a video. I hope you like it, and I am going to bring some more videos regarding books, because I have completed a few books in the month of October, and I'm going to review them here. Okay, bye bye, take care.